What if you had an employee working full-time in your business making social media posts for you, building your following, and responding to every new engagement? What if that employee leveraged these activities into new sales conversations, followed up via email and SMS, and organized every new lead into your CRM for you? What if they set sales appointments, shared checkout links, and measured conversion rates? Let us introduce you to our social planner. With our new social strategy and software, you'll consolidate all your social media accounts into one simple platform that allows you to plan out your posting schedule, automate your posting for optimal engagement times, and turn comments into multi-channel conversations. This social planner organizes and consolidates SMS, email, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, and other popular chat channels into a single conversational thread, which can be handled manually or automatically with AI. All conversations are situated in a marketing CRM complete with sales pipeline organization, long-term follow-up capabilities, sales appointment calendars with reminders, a four-man site builder for checkout pages, and even an e-commerce platform. No matter how your business makes sales, the social planner is the best way to help you use social media to do more of it. Want to test out our social planner for yourself? Click the demo button on our website to see it in action.